Skill-based pool apps can offer real money competitions, but the cash options depend on the platform, your location, and whether your account is eligible for cash play. By the end, you'll know 7 pool games worth checking in 2026, how their cash competitions work, and what to verify before putting money into any of them. Number 7 is Pool Clash. This 8-ball pool game uses the skills competition system and offers both free and cash matches. That makes it a straightforward starting point if you want to practice before entering paid competitions. Number 6 is Billiards Cash. A game offers free matches and cash matches through Skillz.it. The useful part is that you can play without immediately entering a cash competition, then switch to cash play if it's available to your account. Number 5 is Speed Pool. Speed Pool focuses on faster pool matches and includes real money competitions through Skillz. You can use the free matches to learn the controls before deciding whether the cash format is worth using. Number 4 is Pool Cash. This game also offers free and cash matches. Skillz uses a single account system across its supported games, so your skills balance and account activity can carry across eligible titles. Number 3 is Pool Payday. It combines traditional pool gameplay with Skillz' cash competition system. You can choose free matches when available or enter cash competitions when your account and location support them. Number 2 is 8-Ball Strike. This pool game offers competitive matches and real money prize opportunities through the Skillz platform. Its position near the top comes from having a clear focus on competitive 8-ball gameplay rather than casual pool alone. Number 1 is 8-Ball Pool by Miniclip. It is one of the most recognizable mobile pool games, with multiplayer matches, tournaments, and in-game currency. However, don't confuse its in-game coins with withdrawable cash. The standard game does not mean you can simply cash out your coin balance. That distinction is critical with every pool app on this list. A game can advertise prizes, tournaments, or cash competitions without guaranteeing that every player can withdraw money. Skillz says cash competitions are restricted by age and location, and withdrawal methods can vary. Before depositing, open the app's cash section and check whether cash play is enabled for your account. Then review the current withdrawal rules, minimums, fees, and verification requirements. The 7 names to check are Pool Clash, Billiards Cash, Speed Pool, Pool Cash, Pool Payday, 8-Ball Strike, and 8-Ball Pool Gin. Start with free matches whenever they're available, verify that cash play works in your location, and only then decide whether entering a paid competition makes sense. If you want more real money game rankings, like the video and subscribe.